What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be trying a sample pack from TKO. It's a DTF puff. I've been wanting to try it for a while. I know other companies have it out there, but I haven't gotten around to trying it, and then I saw that TKO had it, so I ordered a sample pack from them. Basically all they sent me was just a bunch of transfers and the instructions on it. I had the heat press warming up now. I put mine to 315 for 10 seconds. I'm gonna hold that up so you guys could see it. And basically all they did was sent me a couple just holiday transfers. These are all puff. I've been wanting to try DTF puff, so I figured I'd try them out. And I'd set up the camera and show you guys how it goes for me. Never did it, so it's gonna be my first time doing it for anybody that's watching this video. Just basically, if I mess it up, don't do what I do and do different. And like I said in every other videos, everybody's heat press is different. So I'm doing it on a 100% heavy cotton shirt. It's just an old shirt that I'm doing. I'm just gonna do pieces of it. I'm not gonna do an actual, you know, like shirt where I put a logo on. I'm just gonna do it on a junk shirt because I don't want to mess up any good shirts with that. So I'm gonna get the camera set up over here by the heat press, and I'm gonna start pressing one of these on the shirt and see what happens with it. All right, guys. Hopefully this is a good view for you. I have to get some more tripods for you know, my camera angles. I want to get you guys better shots. Right now I'm just working with the one tripod. I have one that's a stand-up one on the floor, and then I got the desk one. So I'm going to invest in some more tripods so I can start getting some better angles of the heat press for you guys. So my heat press is up to 304 right now. I'm going to try this big ass donut one first. See how that comes out. And it doesn't say anything. It just says temperature 310 to 320, 8 to 10 seconds, high pressure, which I have that on in the hot peel. So I'm not going to tape it down, nothing like that. I'm just going to go with the directions. Like I said, I put mine to 315 for 10 seconds. See how that goes. I got it on really heavy pressure. I already lint rolled this and I already pre-pressed it. I'll actually give it a pre-press again, just in case there's any moisture. And I'm just gonna put this right on there. It's at 314 now. Let me get my temp gun here. Okay, we're pretty much up to temp on that. This I'll link in the description. I got this off Amazon. This is a heat temp gun. So I'm gonna put it a little bit down here so then I got room to move this over and use this side. I'm gonna put it like right here. See what happens, but I want to make sure I get the heat on it. So I'm just gonna hit that now and let's see what happens. This is TKO transfers. So to hot peel it, nothing left on the transfer. It looks like it's puffing up. Oh yeah, it definitely puffed up. I'm gonna let that cool for a minute and then I'll show you guys. Now the bot looks like just the top of the donut. The icing's supposed to pop up. The rest of it seems like it stayed down. That came out pretty sick though. I don't know how they actually make these. I'm gonna say it's some sort of thing that they add, like there is in like vinyl or like their plastic saw puff. I'm guessing they add something into it to make it happen. But yeah, that puffed up, and it seems like this was supposed to stay down because the inside of it is too. Let me see if I can get you guys, bring the camera in so you guys could see this better. So you could actually see the puff on it. It puffed up real nice. You can see right here it indented a little bit. But that could be for me. I'm gonna put the next one on and I'm gonna do heavier pressure on it. And see how that goes with heavier pressure. I'm gonna move this shirt over a little bit. Let me just move this over. That one seemed like it worked though. just to get this off of here. Get all my seams off. Let me give it a pre-press again. Tighten up my pressure a little bit. I'm actually, you know what, I'm gonna set it up to 320. See how that goes. For 10 seconds. Gonna let that, give that a minute to get up to temperature. Let's see. I'll try these two out. I'm gonna try the 2026 and this this looks like a pie. Let's see if we're up to temp here. This goes up pretty quick. This the heat press is from Heat Press Nation. It's a signature series, 15 by 15. All right, we're good right on that spot there. I'm gonna put both of these down. Let me hit it with the lint roller. To make sure. I have to loosen that, that's too tight. Alright, let's throw both these down and see what happens. Now these are going to be right under it. Now this is their highest setting they call for, so let's check this one out. I need to hot peel it off. That one came right off. Now the 2020, oh no, this one puffed up nice too. I'll pull you guys in to see this one. The 2026 puffed up real nice. Let me turn this heat press off. I'm gonna hold this up for you guys at the end. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you another view from this side. You can see where that one puffed up real nice. Same thing with that. So in the same thing with the donut one, this is like their regular, their flat DTF, and then they have their puff in the middle here. So you guys could see it. That one puffed up real nice. Put it at an angle for you so you guys could see it from this view. I'll hold this up for you guys to see, and then here's the donut one on the side. You could see, like, oh no, puffed out that section, starting to puff out. I'll hold this up for you guys so you guys could see it. Alright guys, that was just a quick video for you. I'm gonna actually order some with my logo and stuff from them. Let me bring these into the camera so you guys could see it. That one puffed up real nice. Same thing with this one. I mean, for my first time doing DTF puff, I don't even know why. I should have tried it earlier on, but, and they did the flat down here, and then this part's the puff part, the icing on it. I mean, I think they came out real nice. I'm definitely gonna try one of my logos just to see. I'll get it in a couple different colors, but that one came out the best out of all of them. Hope that's focusing in for you guys. So that was just a quick video for you guys, and that was TKO DTF Puff. So I'm gonna try some more and then put some more videos out for you guys. But if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm keep coming out with some more of this content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.